Hello, we're on the layout today because we're here to review a locomotive that just arrived today. It is the replacement for the Class 47, which I had to withdraw yesterday. Because she was out of service. I do apologise about the fan, because I get hot when I do these reviews. Anyway, yes, we are looking at the Class 57 Freightliner. Oh yes, you can see me in the camera. This particular one is... This 57 is 57011. It is in Freightliner. Similar to the 47, but according to their history, they had new engines fitted and renumbered as the 57s. Yes, I do apologise about my light, but I'll make sure I get that brightened up before it gets uploaded. I'm just adjusting my camera. For part of the light. I don't have very much light in this room. But anyway, yes, I bought this off Hatton's and it arrived today. I bought it yesterday and arrived today. So anyway, standard engage packaging. It is a Grand Farish model. It's like the 47 model, but it is the 57 model. So let me just get this bad boy open. And yes, I have already pre-tested it. These things are hard to open. Yes, I have already pre-tested it. There she is. And I forgot the name of the loco is. So once I can take this off, she can stay on the layout. It is Freightliner Challenger 57001. So yeah, that's why we put her on the track. Why we get her out. Of course, I've got some details. Like this is like the original. There we are. Let's take you out. There's the 57. So now I'm going to move the bot packaging away. So here's the 57. There it is. I might need my other light. I might need the other light soon. So I can have a There we are. That's the ticket. That's what we want. If I can zoom in on that, look, there's the number, and there's the name. It's a beautiful, stunning loco. First, now, let's get it on the track. This is what it's like on the track. Yes, I do apologise. There it is, she's on the track now. Look at her. She is a stunner. I can turn that off now because she is now on the track where my street lights are. Yes, as you can tell, I'll give you a quick layout tour as well. While we're doing this review, I can do a quick layout tour. Excuse the amiibos. I wonder how many new vehicles you can spot on this layout. There's several new vehicles have been spotted on the railway. There we are. Here's the 57. I'm going to give her a quick spin. She has been pre-tested. Here we go. Yep, she has been pre-tested. Look at that. Look at that. She got derailed thanks to the 168. I didn't put the 168 off the track properly. The 168 didn't came off the track properly. Do apologise about that. I do apologise for that. The 168 caused a delay. For your wheel to come off the track. Right, let's do it again. So I take two. This might be a very short review because I've got another review to do later on. Let's take it round. Show it off. Just literally show it off. Let's get a close-up shot of it coming around that corner. Just past my beautiful drawn road. Let's get another shot going through the lights. Unfortunately, it doesn't light up, unfortunately. So here it comes. There we are. I'd like to just stop the 57 just here. There we are. Here's the beautiful Grand Farish Class 57. If you like it, get one, and good luck finding one, or wait for a new release. This is a beautiful model, by the way. So now I'm going to do some swapping. Now I'm going to do some swapping about. I'm going to put the 168 unit back in the siding, and then I'm going to put the 57. Stay tuned for a layout video featuring the 57. After arguing with this Mr. 66 over there, Mr. Class 66 over there is having a bit of an argument. Me and the 66 are having we're having a bit of an argument. Having a very big argument at the minute. Yes, we are. 66 is just agreeing. Yes, we are having an argument, not running properly. Anyway, yes. I hope you enjoyed a bit of a layout tour, what I've been doing, painting all the roads. Oh, you can just see, I think you can just see one of my new vehicles. Anyway, this isn't about the vehicles, this is about the Class 57. If you like it, get one. Switch it off in the middle. Oh yes, that controller. The controller I'm quickly using is a Gauge Master controller. I recommend one of them as well. I've got another one sat in my corner, ready for some work for my OG stuff. Right. If you like this logo, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you've got any more future loco reviews or any individual Dalek reviews or Bionicle sets, just let me know. Just request it in the comments. I better get going because I'm gonna have to upload this. Not fully upload it yet because I've got to do another review. And I'll see you in another video.